Good morning, good afternoon, or night. Today I'm going to make a video of the installation of the RV sewer storage, where I'm going to install it. These are all the tools that I had to collect in order to get this going. You're going to fit one 10-foot hose in there. This one stretches out, so if I wanted to make it longer, see, maximum extension. Comes with a bracket for the center. I bought this off eBay. If you want to know the site, I can give it to you. It's like $55, something like that. See, you can actually extend it that long. You might be able to get both hoses in there. Only issue with that is, where are you going to put it on here? I was going to install it under here. Problem is I can't because you have all the lines for the hookups. I was looking to install it under here, but I don't want to drill holes in here. Can't put it under the belly because it's going to be too low to the ground. So what I decided on doing is I'm going to go ahead and install it on this side. So I have to drill a hole here, follow the bar all the way down to where that white label is, drill another hole, then strap it in and we should be good. It's just going to be for one hose. I'm going to have to take the other one in a smaller bucket, just in case you might need it. But that's the only option we have right now. I'm going to go ahead and put the mount. What I'm doing is putting it up. I have this lip here, so I'm resting the whole thing up on the lip. I'm going to go as far out as I can here, which is going to be right about here. Reason being is that if you look under here, there's a piece of plate there. Let me try to show you from this side. You see this plate right here? So when you drill it, you don't want to push it too forward because now you're going to end up going behind the plate. Plus you got this turn here, so you want to try to keep behind it. So let me go ahead and start drilling so we can put the screw in. Alright, what I did, I went ahead and got my drill with a let's see what size this is, 3/8, and the screw itself is a tapping screw, self-tapping screw. You can see here, I actually went in here a few turns and it went in. So I'm going to go ahead and mount it and we'll take it from there. Alright, so you can see I screwed it in, I didn't tighten it. And I'm going to come back here and see where I want to put it. Once you're back here, you can actually extend it or whatever you want to do. Find a spot and just screw it in, and you should be good. Sorry, I can't record this, but it's just me and my two hands. Alright, so what I did do, and I told you guys, do it up to the sticker. I actually did it a little bit past the sticker. You see a little black dot there? That's where I'm going to drill in the hole. And why is that? Because when I measured, you can see the division here. That gives it a little extra room. I put in that one 10-inch hose in there, 10-foot hose. And it was kind of tight with the ends right to the end here. So I figure if I get a little bit more breathing room, it won't be that tight. And you want to make sure you put a zip tie at the end, because you don't want the top popping off, because the tops were popping off every time I would try to put it in there. So we'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like once I tap in the hose. Alright. You can see I drilled it in. I just got to hand tighten it with an open wrench. I don't want to do it with the power drill. Both ends, and I can pull the box out. Now what I'm going to do, like I said, put zip tie on here. I'm probably going to zip tie around here so it doesn't wobble. And we'll put it back in there. But it feels good when you do a project on your own and I have to pay somebody to get it done. I'll go ahead and show you exactly what else we're going to do. So right now, The other end is closed, as you can see. I push it in, it stays right there. And go here, take my little cap, put it there. Get my little end, put it here. And that's it. Now what I recommend you do is get a little one of those twisties. I'll show you what it is. Put it on here so this doesn't come off while you're driving. The other side, since you're not going to open it, I will put a zip tie on it, because that would keep it on there. I'm going to go ahead and secure this a little better, and then show you what it looks like again. So now I got some cable ties. I'm going to go ahead and open it up here and get a couple of them in there. Here's the final look of the tube. As you can see, it's right down there. Put 2 zip ties. Each section had to take 3. I put one there, and then I hand tighten the screws, because since it's plastic, there's only 2 screws in there. And as you can see from here, just come up, put out. You got the U in here. You got the covers in here. You got the sewer part for the ground, and you got your whole 10-foot tube in here. Everything fits as it should. And the only thing I recommend is, like I said, get one of those little ties in here. You don't want this bouncing around and you're gonna lose your thing while going down the road. So I got a 20-inch one. I'm gonna have to keep this box because the other half is in here, but I'm gonna see if I get a smaller box. And if you got any questions, or if you want the link of where I bought the parts, just let me know and I'll get back to you. Thank you.